Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to be showing you how to get onto PearsonRealize.com and how to start up your profile for learning our math online. So I'm going to go to my Google Classroom. I'm on my stream right now. I'm going to click on classwork, scroll down for math assignments, and under my math assignment is this green icon that says Pearson Realize. I'm going to click on that, go to take me there. I'm going to log in with my Google account. Today I'm going to be logging in as Cole. I'm going to scroll down and click the button Allow. And then I'm going to get myself set up. So it says that I'm almost there, but I need to kind of answer a few questions. So I'm going to choose a preferred language. Mine is English, but you can change it to Spanish if that's for how you learn best. We're going to pick a profile icon. I think that Cole would like this one, which he can change when he goes back in. He's going to pick a background, so I'm going to pick a background for him, and maybe he would like this cute little frog there. You can preview it if you want to, and then you're going to go down to where it says let's go. Then as I scroll down, I see that I have assigned work here, and it says 12-3 quick check. I'm going to move my box over just a little bit here so you could see. You may see here a video for you to watch, a reteach page, a practice page, a quick check, maybe even a daily Common Core, just like we've seen in class. So I'm going to click on this. Then it's going to have me start it, answer each question carefully, and after you submit your test, you won't be able to change your answers. So I'm going to see numbers like this. You'll also see that on top of each question, even if the answer here is something that is in word form, you can get it read to you. So you could press play. Okay, so now I'm going to go here and I'm going to answer my question. So looking at my place value, which one is less than 37 hundredths? And I'm going to click on my answer and then I'm going to click next. You'll also see down here, it tells me it's question 1 out of 5, so it's only 5 questions. Then I'm going to go to my next question. Which number equals 66 tenths or 60 hundredths? Which one is the same? Okay, so you guys can kind of see the hang of it, but some of these things are look a little bit different. It's not just multiple choice questions. So you may see a question like this. So if you have these things, you can use them at home, but here's a pull down. So I'm going to either choose equal sign, the less than sign, or the greater than sign. So looking at my number sentence to make it true, 6 and 21 hundredths is greater than 6 and 12 hundredths. And I'm going to click next to submit my answer. So a word problem like this, you can see how not only could I get my question read, but I could also get each answer choice read aloud to me if I wanted to. Okay, so if I go back and I exit, there would be other assignments under here that you're going to be working on each day. Okay, and once you submit and once you're done with that, then your teachers can look at it and help you with anything that you needed help with, or look at how many you got correct and what you're able to continue to work on. Okay, boys and girls, so